me and my friend Tony will be fidget trading in real life.
Hi.
So
these are all my.
wait, you need to come. So
These are all my fidgets
and
that
these
I'm
are
going to
all
be trading.
And these are all my fidgets that I'm gonna be trading. So first, I'm gonna be
Right,
trading
he's gonna start.
this mini soda.
It's actually boba, but it's glittery. Okay, I'll trade you this fidget spinner.
Can you add?
Sparkly for sparkly. All right. I'll trade you my purple needle that you've got. Add. Accept. This one's accept. That's a good trade. Right, you can start. No, I'll start. I'll trade you my turquoise real dumpling, so you have to trade a lot because it's real.
Dr. Pepper needle.
Guys, this is my real turquoise dumpling from RMS. Dr. Pepper.
My dumpling.
White dumpling. Okay.
My white dumpling.
Okay, big sounds. Accept.
I accept.
Sorry about that, guys. That
That's
was
just a random dog that was going to steal my squash. Right, so I'll start now. I'm going to trade this foam dumpling, rainbow
Slow ride.
Slow ride.
It's not a food dumpling.
Okay, it's got a hole in it, so right. I will trade you my strawberry squishy.
I'll accept.
Nice and slow rising. I'll start with my rainbow butter squishy.
That's trying.
A rainbow. I'll trade that. So you've got like this squishy one.
It's like a poophead needle thing.
Right. I'll accept.
I'll accept this one.
Yes. You better accept.
Look, guys, listen.
It's got like a sound to it. It's like a cranky sound. Right. I'll start. No, you start.
You put the dumpling and the butter. And have to trade a lot.
God. I'll trade
lot,
you
a lot.
my glitter
Oh.
dumpling.
Accept.
Okay, accept.
Yeah.
My turquoise! Yes, I've missed you so much. And my butter black. Thank you. I have to start adding and declining and accepting. Right. You can start. Thank you. I've got
This. I know.
it's very soft and nice, but
It's real.
You need to talk
I'll trade
louder.
you- What?
You need
It's
to
like a needle and it's really soft and real.
I'll trade you my tie-dye mini blue.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
so slow rising, but it's really rest. So you're gonna have to add fidget spinner.
What's your called booba?
I'm trading this fidget spinner right now.
All right. I'll accept.
I'll accept.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't have anything right now, literally. I only have glitter dumpling, the strawberry,
Well, the
and
glitter dumpling's worth a lot, and that strawberry. And
oh, I'm starting then.
okay, you can start.
Put it in the case. I'm trading this glitter dumpling. What she gave me.
Okay. I will trade you all 3 of my needles. Maybe not 4. 2 needles.
I'll accept.
I'll accept. Guys, I got a glitter dumpling. Zoom in, editor. Zoom in. So nice.
And I got these two dumplings. This one likes Halloween.
Not them.
This one's like needles, and this one
It's fine. That orange one.
Fanta, and this one's Dr Pepper. And these are actually my two favourite drinks: Dr Pepper first, Fanta second.
Oh, Dr. Pepper. I've got two.
Guys, do you want to end it there?
Right, you can start. No, I'll start. I'll trade you this slow rising festival. Like, it's like a butter, but like
Alright.
it looks like a dumpling, kind of like. Yeah.
I'm gonna add this one, but you probably might add.
Okay, I'll add this like poophead guy,
Alex.
and I'll also add this mini clicker.
Oh, I'm accepting. That accept.
Might have to add a little thing. Like, yeah. Accept.
Yes. Oh my god.
Don't go.
Now hear this, Alex.
Well, obviously it's a clicker, it makes noise. Right guys, I'm gonna start. I've not tried it yet. Haven't. Oh, can I trade it?
You've barely traded the butter. You've only traded the butter once.
I'll trade you.
Oh, no way.
My boba, nice and sparkly. My purple needle. My rainbow butter. And my white. Listen to this.
It
sounds like a wet fart, not gonna lie. But it's got like a little stain on it. I don't know what's that from, but it makes it fun.
I'm trading all of these. This clicker and this Dr Pepper and Fanta needle.
Oh, that clicker. So good. I'll also
Guys,
trade you.
just say that's the end when you want to stop.
And I'll trade you that.
Yeah, I'll accept.
Oh yeah! I'm feeling generous, so I'm gonna give you a lot.
This is my most decent trade yet. This was a good trade. Listen to this though. Right,
What when I've traded now?
should I start?
Yeah.
I'm gonna trade this poop head.
Okay.
And this.
Right. Okay. I will trade you my turquoise dumpling and this fidget spinner
Accept already.
and
No.
I think that's it. Yes.
Accept.
3 for 2, but that turquoise is so good. Guys, this is my collection so far.
This is my collection so far.
This is my collection so
I've got
far.
2 dumplings.
I've got this glitter dumpling that I might trade in the next one. And these needles and yes. Right, go to Ollie.
I've got this white dumpling with a little stain on it. And I've also got this turquoise dumpling. And it's real.
Yeah, 'cause it's from RMS.
Because look at this. Water texture, I think.
Gel, I think. I don't know. Water texture.
And I've got this fidget spinner. And this
Oh, yeah,
boba.
ending it there.
And
Ending
I've
it there.
also got this butter, me, and I've got this. Right, and we're gonna end this there.
One more
So-
round.
Oh,
and then
also one more round, the finals actually.
final round. Got to do all effort. Guess what? Guess what I'm gonna do?
No
All of my fidgets.
All of my
Yeah, I might take like I might take this and this away. So I'm
Still trading.
and the fidget spinner.
Not this fidget spinner.
I like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, okay, that's fair. Accept!
Yeah! Yes! So this is everything we've got now.
No, wait, I need to sort mine out. Pause it. No. Right, guys, I need to quickly sort mine out. We'll be there in a second.
Yeah.
You pause.
No.
She's not.
No, just leave.
Ollie's just gonna do ASMR for a bit while I sort mine out.
Yeah, 'cause
Look at this. Slow rising.
guys, be quiet so you can actually hear it. If you turn up your volume all the way up, you can hear it.
So it's stopped our pepper needle.
Doesn't have any sound.
I know, but it still looks very nice. And we've got this strawberry. Right, I'm done. Right, she's done now. So
You need to sort yours out. While he's sorting his out, I'm gonna do my ASMR. The best ASMR one.
Hey!
Right. Shh, guys, listen. Put your volume all the way up. Film it at me. So first we're going to start with this white dumpling. Guys, turn your volume all the way up.
I'm finished sorting mine out. Wait. She's gonna do one more and then the video's gonna be over.
We need to show our end results.
Yeah, we're gonna show our end.
And then
Right,
last
so
one. Right,
this
guys.
is the overall results.
I'm just putting that back. So guys, this is my overall. So we've got this. So we've got this white dumpling with a stain, but the stain makes it look better. We've got this turquoise real MRS. What are gel tips? I don't know. We've got this boba. We've got this sparkly fidget spinner.
Okay.
We've got this rainbow butter squishy. We've got this blue clicker. And last but not least, we've got this purple and pink like cranky thing. Over to Ollie.
Okay, let's have a look at Ollie's.
I've got this Rainbow Festival slow rising dumpling thing
Looking thing.
made out of foam. And I've got this glitter dumpling.
Alright.
Very good. And I've got this needle, purple. And I've got this Dr. Pepper needle,
Okay.
Fanta needle as well. This mini tie-dye dumpling.
And last but not least,
No, not last but not least.
We've got this strawberry
okay.
and this poop head.
So guys, that's all. We'll see you later. Bye. See you in the next one.
That's it for today. And bye. See you in the next one.